Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Helio Ring generates inaccurate workout reports in your Zepp application. So to improve your reports quality, you're just gonna have to make sure that you are wearing your ring correctly. So first of all, make sure that you are wearing it either on the index finger or the middle finger of your hand, and also make sure that this mark you see at the top of your ring is facing your the palm side of your hand. And also make sure that your hands are warm when you wear the ring, as it will improve the blood flow and it will improve the sensor's reading quality. And that's basically all the tips for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.